Okay, what we have here is an install for a customer. Customer's bike is a 2003 Harley Road Glide 100th year edition. So what we did here is he wanted white LED lights, front, back, also on the headlights. Also wanted HID headlight kit and alarm system. So everything turns on remotely with the alarm system. What we'll show first is the HID lights that we saw here. And it is a digital slim ballast. This is the new type. These are about a third of the size. Only use 35 watts, the conventional bulb, and they're much better than the standard HIDs. Okay, so what we'll do is an 8000 kit. This turns on. And as you can see, an increase. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds to 100% increase. But these are going to be about 3 times brighter than your standard bulb. So, coming down the road, you're definitely going to be able to see that. And again, these also use less power than your conventional bulbs. Okay, so that's the... I'll turn that off. And what I'm going to show next is one of the LED lights we installed here. This was about a 9-hour install. Is we took out the headlights and we installed the LEDs, which we have 3 different types of. This is a 24 pod. These are made out of silicone. They're very flexible, so they're adaptable for a lot of situations. This is the 5 pod spread beam. Each of these LEDs shoot out in a different direction. Very powerful LED light. There's some cheap ones on the market, but these are definitely quality ones. And these is a new SMD type. As you can see, there aren't round bulbs. And this is flexible also, which is a good thing. Comes with 3M tape. So these are we installed in different areas. As you can see right there inside the headlight, underneath them, almost like the new Audis. And the customer requested we install the switch right in here. So there's a little panel, on-off switch. Turn that on. Turn on a set of LED lights down there, which I'll show in a second. This is what it looks like here. So these LEDs, as you can see, are very bright also. Okay, now, this is the alarm system. Again, it's a one-way system. This is one of the units we sell, actually. And so you basically arm it. This thing's very loud. As you can see in there, there's a blue LED light. I can turn off the light and show you in a second, but basically that light, as you can see a little bit, bounces off in different areas. There. All of the bike's a very powerful blue LED light. So that's going to warn people basically that the bike does have an alarm. So we'll unlock it. And what we'll do is shut off the light here and remotely. Stay in the back and hit the remote. Once turn signals come on. Now we've turned on the LED lights. Now again, we can turn them off. Just turn them right on. And basically pretty much every portion of the bike is lit up here, including ground effects here in the back, which you can see as it's going down the road. You can see all that light is just off the chrome. These are white LEDs that we installed here. Basically this is a 24 pod. The clear one's going across the top. We also have LEDs inside the air intakes here that are lighting up this whole area. There's the SMD light is back here. Also for the front, there is lights for the front, a 5-pod LED, and then there's 2 on each side of the tire, which are more for the ground effects. And that's basically it. If you're interested in any of the products, I do install here locally in South Florida, and work occasional bike shows, and cycle alarm and lighting.com.